In this video, we're going to solve a problem in circle. So the problem is, find the radius given the area of the circle equal to 78.5 square meter. So the formula of a circle, area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared. What we're looking for in this problem is the radius. So we're going to isolate that. So we're going to divide both sides by pi, and we'll be left with r squared is equal to A over pi. Then we're going to square both sides. So r is equal to the square root of A over pi. So this will be our working equation. Then we're going to substitute what is given. A here is equal to 78.5 square meter all over pi. So let me just calculate this one. This is approximately equal to 5 meters. So that's it.